how to change two-step verification code on Telegram. And okay guys, here in your mobile phone, okay, go to Telegram application. I use iOS mobile phone or iPhone. And okay guys, here in Telegram homepage, okay, go to setting on the lower right side on your screen, okay, tap this. In settings, go to privacy and security. In privacy and security, you can see here the two-step verification. Okay, you'll have to do is tap this and enter the password. After you enter the password, tap the next button. And now you can change the two-step verification password by tap the change password button here. And please enter a new password which will be used to protect your data. Okay? After you enter the new password, tap the next button on the upper right side on your screen and re-enter your password. And after you enter your password, tap the next button on the upper right side on your screen and you can now add a hint. So you can create a optional hint for your password. So for my example, and after you create a hint, tap the next button on the upper right side on your screen. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully changed the two-step verification password on your Telegram. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.